Hello, Accelerated Math 7-8 students. We are working in Module 14, and this is Lesson 21. And it is called Some Facts About Graphs of Linear Equations in Two Variables. And our goal for today we will learn how to identify the linear equation based on points on a line. The question that I want you to think about is, what must you have to create an accurate equation of a given line? Okay, things to know. First of all, what is an equation? An equation is a line that goes through points 5, negative 7 and has a slope of negative 3. What is the equation of the line? So you're going to use that information and you are going to create the equation. Okay, so we know the slope, but we do not know the b. Okay, so remember, that's how you start out everything when we're working with this. So you can figure out the slope, and you can figure out the b, and then you can write the y-intercept, okay, or the slope-intercept form. But we aren't given that. We were given the slope, so we know the slope is negative 3, but we don't know the b because, remember, the b is where you cross the y at 0. So we have to find where it crosses the y at 0. So the best suggestion that I can say before you can actually get to the equation is graph it. Okay, you can graph with the information that they gave you. So the point that they gave us was 5, negative 7. 5, negative 7 is the one that they gave us, and they gave us the slope is negative 3. So we know our line is going to be going like this because it's negative, and then we also know of that point. So the first thing that I would recommend that you do is plot it. So it says to the right 5, down 7. So you're going to go to the right 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to put a dot because that's a point that they gave us. And now, knowing that the line is going to be negative, it has to travel this way. So we have to apply the slope. And the slope is negative 3. So that means we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. Okay, we could go in reverse order and go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. And it's still creating a negative slope. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right, or to the left 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. And by doing that, you can see, that's really crazy how it kind of looks weird, but, oh, I see why. Hold on, this is not in the right spot. Up 1, 2, 3. Aha, that's where I messed up. So that one's wrong. Let me cross it out. It's really hard to see that line. Bye-bye. Wrong point. Wrong point. Wrong point. Okay, let's fix it. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, to the right 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. So it should just be over 1 more. There we go. Now the line is straight. Yay. Okay, and dun-da-da-da! Do you see it? There it is. What is that? That's where it crosses the y-intercept, or the y-axis. So what number are you sitting at? Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. So the b is 8. Oh, now we don't even have to figure it out because we can write what we know. So y equals, what is our slope? Our slope is negative 3, so y equals negative 3x plus 8. That's our equation, and we just figured it out. And then if you want to draw in your straight line, because remember, linear lines are always straight, then we have this straight line right there that connects all of our points. Okay, and remember, we started with the one they gave us, then we just applied the slope. We found where it crossed the y-axis, which is the intercept, and then we were able to write the equation of the line. So, is it possible? Is it possible to figure out what the equation of the line is if you're given some random point and the slope? The answer is yes, absolutely. So today we will learn how to identify the linear equation based on the points on the line, And we did that. What must you have to create an accurate equation for a given line? You have to have the slope. And then you can have any point that you need. You need a slope, and you need at least one point to start building the line itself so that you can then determine what the equation would be. All right, kiddos, that's all I have for you today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.